Hello again. Before we get started, I just want to go over a little bit of what Lumion is and why you might want it for your projects. I'm visiting Lumion3D.com right now, which is the official page for Lumion, and this page tells a little bit more about this product. Lumion is essentially a visualization engine, and so it's a game engine that they've designed for architects, and now it's used by a lot of people in the architectural, engineering, and construction industries. And it can take 3D models or other CAD data and it can visualize it. It can make it look very nice, and the outputs are generally videos and images, and then also real-time experience, which is very helpful if you're working with a client. You can show them what their model looks like in real time. So Lumion, while it's a visualization engine, it's not a modeling software program, so you can't necessarily build buildings or create things. You have to build them somewhere else, like Revit, SketchUp, 3ds Max, AutoCAD, and then you can bring it into Lumion, where you can add textures, you can add vegetation, people, cars, and anything else that might make it look more real. It will give it context. And the medium version is about $2,000 US, and about the pro version is about $4,000 US. So we're going to be using the pro version for this tutorial, but there's actually a free version that you can get by clicking here or going to lumion3d.com/free. And the free version will get you started. It will give you an idea how well your computer is going to run it, but it doesn't have a lot of the library, and it's also going to watermark everything that you do, so you can't use it professionally. But it's a great way to get an idea of what it is. And just so that you know, Lumion, it's like, because it's a game engine, it's going to require a decent machine. You're going to need a dedicated video card with a benchmark score of around 3,000. I think minimum's about 1,500. So you can go to this website, videocardbenchmark.net, to see what a video card, what the passmark score is, and it will give you an idea how well Lumion is going to run on your machine. And then I've also included the links to the specs next to this video. And so I encourage you to at least download the free version of Lumion if you don't have one of the other versions already, although I will be using the pro version for this tutorial. When you open up Lumion, it looks like this, and right down here this is going to give you your score. So when you first open it up, it runs a test to see how well your computer is going to work. And then it will give you a score. So I got pretty high, but my CPU score wasn't very good. So it's good enough, but it could be better. So now that you hopefully have access to Lumion, we're going to get started.